Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave your opinions in the comment section below. Court fines Kano government 25 million naira for causing Doguwa pain, blocks reopening of murder case. A federal high court, Abuja, on Friday granted a fundamental rights suit filed by the House of Representatives member El-Hassan Doguwa, which sought an order restraining the Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf from reopening a murder case against him. The murder case concerned the reported violence in the state during the presidential and National Assembly elections. In a suit, Doguwa, through his lawyer, Afam Osigwe's son, cited 7 grounds of application and sought the enforcement of his fundamental rights against the state actors on account that he led errant thugs to burn down the New Nigeria People's Party (NNPP) office in Kano, resulting in over half a dozen deaths, according to the police. Newsroom Nigeria recalls that he was declared wanted by the police and subsequently arrested at the Kano airport on February 28 as he tried to flee the state to Abuja. The lawmaker was subsequently arraigned in court on various charges bordering on arson, criminal conspiracy, culpable homicide, causing grievous hurt, mischief by fire, and inciting disturbance, according to the Kano State Commissioner of Police, CP Mohammed Yakubu. But on May 25, 2023, the Kano State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Musa Lawan, told reporters that the government, having studied the investigative report of the Nigerian police force on the matter, decided to drop the murder charge against the lawmaker. Lawan had said the decision was based on the contradicting witness statements about the allegations against Doguwa. After scrutiny, we cannot establish a murder charge against El-Hassan Ado Doguwa and other compliances, including the police officers whose ammunition was intact after the incident. By law, if you have a contradiction in evidence against a suspect, you can pick the one that exonerates him against the ones that have contradictions. This made us to arrive that we cannot charge him in court. Only 5 suspects who have confessed to having burnt the NNPP office will be charged to court, Mr. Lawan had said. But in the suit at the Abuja division of the FHC, the lawmakers sued the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF), the Inspector General of Police, the Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf, and his AG, first to 4th defendants, seeking, among other reliefs, an order restraining the state government from ordering his rearrest in connection to the unsavory development in Kano State. Doguwa said despite the police exonerating him from allegations associated with the election, the governor was making moves to review the said police reports and come up with unsubstantiated reasons to direct his rearrest, detention, and prosecution. Before Justice Donatus Okorowo Osige tendered the police reports as part of his exhibit against the counter affidavit filed by counsel to the governor and the state attorney general, M.K. Omar. But Omar argues that Doguwa should not obtain a perpetual injunction restraining the police from further investigating criminal allegations against him. He stated reasons the government opted to proceed with prosecuting Doguwa, adding that the applicant's narrative of exoneration did not reflect the true picture of what transpired in Kano. Omar argues that police authorities tendered another police report which accused the lawmaker of alleged criminal conspiracy and culpable homicide. More so, Omar said the first police investigation report on the issue was not an exoneration but a legal opinion. At that time, adding new facts were emerging from security agencies. Omar contended that the police second report indicated the applicant and others, thereby paving the way for them to be investigated for criminal allegations. But Doguwa replied to the AG that the submissions of the Kano State government were baseless because the first police investigative report had exonerated him. Passing his judgment on Friday, Justice Donatus Okorowo observed from Exhibit 10 police reports that the police stated no bullet was recovered at the scene of a crime. The report, as cited by the judge, stated that the allegations that Doguwa killed people by whatever means could not be substantiated. He noted that the police report also stated there is no clear evidence that anybody suffered bullet wounds. The court held the Kano State Governor and his AG had not tendered any fresh evidence to warrant the applicant's prayer not being granted. Justice Okorowo subsequently agreed with the applicant that the Kano State government's move to arrest the applicant without justification was a contravention of his fundamental rights. It is hereby declared that the purported action of the third and fourth respondents to review the legal advice dated 23rd May 2023 and indeed the actual review of the legal advice dated May 23, 2023 with a view of arrest, detain and prosecute the applicant on a phantom charge